Okay, I want you to have your science textbook with you. Science textbook. Show me your books on the screen. Do you have your books with you? Very good. Okay, today we are going to study Unit 5, Food and Diet, which is on page number 28 of your textbooks. Please open up page number 28. We are not going to do any reading, just you should have the books with you. Okay, let's get started. Okay, students, what comes in your mind when you think about the word food? What comes in your mind? Some of you might have gotten hungry just by hearing it, no? Okay, to make it simple, we can say food is any eatable consumed by us, the living things, to stay alive. I'm repeating it again. Food is any eatable. Eatable means whatever we can eat, consumed by living things. Living things mean all of us to stay alive. Clear? Now I'm going to read the definition written on the screen. Any nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink or that plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth is called food. It is also known as nutrients. So, any nutritious substance that living things eat, that we eat or drink, or anything that plants absorb, like sunlight, I'm talking about the plants, like sunlight, water, that all is food for the plants. And whatever helps them grow is known as food. Clear? Is that clear? If you have any confusions or questions regarding this, you can write your questions in the chat and I'm going to answer them at the end. And whenever you want to respond, and yes, you have to move your head up and down. I can see you all here on the screen. Good, good, Ahmed. Ryan, have you got what food is? Good. Inaya, is that clear? Okay. Now, why do we need food? If I talk about myself, okay, if I talk about myself, I eat food because I enjoy eating food. Similarly, You guys also wait for your favorite food to eat, right? The food you love. But you know what? Just eating food is not all about it. Food is basically used to provide us with energy. Food gives us energy to grow. It also provides nutrients for good health. Food gives us vitamins and minerals and keeps us strong, right? And what are functions of food? I mean, what is the purpose of eating food? Food helps in growth and development of human beings. It is the main source of energy. We get all the energy from food. It also repairs and maintain body cells. What are cells? Cells are tiny parts that make up our whole body. Okay, now what is a balanced diet? Diet also means the food we eat. And what is the balanced one? Balanced diet means things we should eat and things we should not. And how to know what's good and what's not good? It's called balanced diet. A balanced diet, I'm reading the slide. Pay attention, please. Look at your screens. A balanced diet means getting the right types and amounts of food and drinks to supply nutrition and energy for maintaining body cells, tissues, and organs, and for supporting normal growth and development. It means we should eat right quantity of everything, whether it's meat, it's milk, it's vegetables, it's ice cream. That means you should eat some of everything. Clear now? Okay, Ehsan. Zara Sajid, are you clear, beta? Any confusion? Okay, good. Now look at this picture on your screen. You can see there is equal amount of both healthy food and junk food. Can you see it? It means that you should not just eat the ice cream, cakes, these kind of things. Together with it, you should also take your meat, your vegetables. I mean, right quantity of everything. Now, why is it important to take balanced diet? I just told you what balanced diet is. Balanced diet means to take quantity of everything in right amount, to eat everything. It is important to take a good diet as healthy body makes up healthy mind. If your body would be healthy, your mind would also work properly. A balanced and good diet is very important to maintain good body weight also. We should eat everything in order to maintain balanced diet. Your diet should have what? Let's read it. Your diet should have carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, etc. In short, it should have a touch of everything. Okay, now what are nutrients? Nutrients are important for normal activities of the body. Your body won't work properly if you are not taking enough nutrients. And in nutrients, we have categories. We have carbohydrates. We are going to read about them. What are these? We have carbohydrates, we have proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water. Okay, now let's find out what are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are compounds or the food which gives energy for our daily activities. They are important for proper working of our brain and heart. To make our brain work properly, we need to eat carbohydrates. Yes, beta, I can see your questions in the chat. This is page number 28 of your textbook, but the material is not there. You can read it from the slides, and these slides you can get in the groups. This will be sent to you. These slides will be sent to you. Don't worry about that. Okay, these are the food items which have carbohydrates in them. You have rice over here, bread, chapatis, potatoes, bananas. All these food contain carbohydrates and they are very, very important for your body. Now, we should also eat proteins. What are proteins? Proteins build and repair your body cells. As I told you before, cells are the tiny parts which make up your whole body. Uh, Proteins also make your immune system strong. Give me a minute, beta. Okay, so let's read about the foods from which we can get proteins. Proteins are the most important part of your diet. Yes, Abiha, I will send you this work. Don't worry. Okay. So, foods from which we get proteins. We get proteins from animals as well as plants. And animal sources are milk, eggs, meat, fish, cheese. All these contain proteins. And plant sources are pulses, cereals, beans, nuts, soya bean. In order to fight diseases, your body should also get a lot of proteins. Now let's study what fats are. Fats provide high energy to the body. It, the fats make you active. Vitamins and minerals are also important for good eyes. They keep our bones and teeth strong. And minerals. Which food have minerals? Fish, milk, cheese, and green leafy vegetables like spinach. These all have minerals in them. Okay, now everybody knows it. Along with good food, water is also very, very important. Our body loses water whenever we breathe or when our body sweat, and also during digestion. We lose a lot of water. So we should drink plenty of water. How much water should we drink? We should at least drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Very good on. Keep responding like this. Okay, moving on. What is fiber? Fiber cleans our digestive system and it's found in fruits and vegetables. It purifies our digestive system. It kills all the chemicals and poisons in our digestive system and makes it clean. Okay, now this is everyone's favorite, right? But are these good for health? Are these things good for health? No. But everybody wants to eat it, right? What do we call it? This is junk food. This is what? Junk food. Junk food is the food that is not good for our health. For example, pizza, cold drink, chips, sweets, ice cream, all is junk food. We should not eat it often. Okay, now let's see some pictures of junk food. Chips is here, then we have candy, soft drinks, gums, chocolates, cookies, cake, sugar, butter, fried fast food. But everybody wants to eat it, right? Zara, do you want to eat it? No, but you shouldn't. Okay, students, there are some revision questions. We are just going to go through them. Why is food important for us? Why is food important for us? We have just read it. I can see that you are answering in chat box and I can see your names as well. Very good. Food is important for us because it helps us to grow and it provides us with energy. I am going to give you these slides in the groups you are added in, and then you can revise these questions, and I'm going to ask these questions in the next class. Please make sure, kids, to revise these questions. I'm going to ask these questions in the next class. Very good, Anaya. Right answer. Iman Yasir. Very good. Amina Binte Usman. Very good. Right answer. Students, I'm reading your chat questions. Please ask if you have any. No, beta, there is no homework. You just have to read your page 28 of your textbooks and also revise these 3 questions. I'm going to ask these questions in the next class, which is tomorrow. I'm going to ask these questions. I can unmute anyone and ask these 3 questions. Please be prepared. Amna Binte Usman, very good. Again, right answer. Any confusions, you can ask me in the chat box. Thank you, Maisha. Very good, Heather Kashif. Amna Binte Usman has answered all the answers. Very good. Thumbs up. Yes, Abiha, I'll send you the work. Gulizara, very good. Yes, Musa, right. Okay, students, that's it for today. Our time's up. Stay home, stay safe. Take care of yourself and your family as well. Wash your hands regularly. Eat good food. Allah Hafiz. Bye, Zainab. Bye, Mariam.